let's do science. Splash! Splash! Welcome, science explorers. Ready to get wet? Behold, even, the mighty water tank. Today, we play sink or float. First test. Mr. Squeaks, will he sink or will he float? He bobs like a champ. Whoa! Sink straight to the bottom like a rock. Now for clay. Heavy and squishy. What's your guess? Plop. Sink. Down it goes. But wait, magic shape-shifting powers? Activate. Look, it's a boat, and it floats. More passengers? Oh boy, it's getting heavy. Sploosh! Down we go! Ah! To the rescue! Nobody gets left behind. Shape is key. A wide boat traps air inside, and that air helps the heavy clay float. See you next time, science friends. Keep floating.
Dr. Fizz and Bolt!